How to add summaries calling viral Instagram template to your story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Instagram on a device. Then tap on the search icon. Then tap on the search bar. Now type add your stickers. Now tap on this account. Now simply scroll to the right. Now tap on AYST50. Now wait for some time. Now keep skipping the stories until you get the desired template. Now keep continuing. Now once you get the template, simply tap on add yours. Now give the permissions. Now click the photo or simply upload the photo. Then tap on your story. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.